Welcome to the Remodel Report by USA Cabinet Store. I'm Will, here as always with Lily, and today we are talking about walk-in shower installation in Orlando. What it actually costs in 2026, what the Florida Building Code requires, and where you get your money back at resale.
Hey everyone! Walk-in showers are now the most requested bathroom upgrade in the Orlando metro. The 2025 House Bathroom Trends Study found that wet rooms hit 16% of all renovated bathrooms, up 3 points year over year. And NKBA data from KBIS 2026 shows over half of homeowners now skip the tub entirely in favor of a feature-rich shower.
Okay, the question everyone asks first. What does this thing actually cost in Orlando in 2026?
3 tiers. Basic prefab kits run $3,000 to $7,000 installed. Mid-range custom tile, which is where most master bath projects land, costs $8,000 to $14,000. And luxury wet rooms with steam, digital valves, and large format slabs run $14,000 to $25,000 or more, especially in Lake Nona and Windermere. Tub-to-shower conversion sits between $6,000 and $12,000.
So what makes Orlando different from doing this in, say, Atlanta or Charlotte?
3 things. First, humidity. Indoor humidity sits at 60 to 70% year-round, which means standard drywall behind tile fails fast. You need bonded waterproofing membrane like Schluter or Wadey. Second, hard water. The Floridan aquifer pushes 17.2 grains per gallon into Orlando taps. That etches stone and clouds glass. Third, slab construction. Most Central Florida homes are slab on grade, so moving a drain means cutting concrete. Adds $1,500 to $3,000 to the bill.
What about the Florida Building Code? What do contractors actually have to hit?
The 2023 Florida Building Code, 8th edition, Chapter 27 requires shower pan liners that meet ASTM D4068 D4551 or sheet-applied bonded membrane per ANSI A118.10. The liner extends 2 inches above the finished threshold. Floor slope is 2% toward the drain. Skip these and you fail inspection or the shower fails 3 years later.
Permits. People always want to skip them. What does it actually cost to do it right?
Combined building, electrical, and plumbing permits in the city of Orlando run $335 to $465. Orange County uses the Fast Track portal. Seminole County has its own. And for any project over $5,000, Florida Statute 713 requires you to file a Notice of Commencement with the Orange County Comptroller. Your contractor handles all of this, but verify it is filed before demo starts.
Money question? Is this actually worth it at resale?
Yes, especially the conversion. The 2025 JLC Cost versus Value benchmark for the South Atlantic puts mid-range bathroom remodels at $25,609 with 70 to 75% ROI. But the tub-to-shower conversion specifically returns 75 to 85%. The trick is matching your spend to the neighborhood. Lake Nona and Windermere can absorb a $25,000 luxury build. College Park or Audubon Park tops out closer to $13,000. Over-improve and your ROI drops below 50%.
So a homeowner in Winter Park is listening right now. What is the first move?
Walk into a showroom that carries the cabinets, tile, and glass under one roof. That single decision saves you weeks because the cabinet dimensions drive the plumbing rough in. USA Cabinet Store's Orlando showroom is at 5812 Redbug Lake Road in Winter Springs. The number is 407-335-44404. Free design consultation, line item quote, no pressure.
Give us the takeaways. 5 things people should remember when this episode ends.
On. Mid-range Orlando walk-in shower installation costs $8,000 to $14,000 for custom tile with frameless glass. 2. Tub-to-shower conversion returns 75 to 85% at resale, the highest of any single-bath upgrade. 3. The Florida Building Code requires sheet-applied waterproofing per ANSI A118.10, 2-inch liner above threshold, and 2% slope to drain. 4. Combined Orlando permits run $335 to $465, and a notice of commencement is required over $5,000. 5. Match your spend to the neighborhood. Lake Nona absorbs luxury. College Park does not.
If you want the full breakdown with cost tiers, neighborhood matrix, and the contractor vetting checklist, go to usacabinetstore.com/walk-in shower installation Orlando. Or call the Winter Spring Showroom at 407-335-4404 to book a free design consultation. We will be back next week with master bathroom remodel ideas for Orlando homes.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Bye.